Welcome to aminacademy.com. In vector calculus, let us discuss about volume integral, some example problem. What is volume integral? An integral evaluated over a volume bounded by a surface is called volume integral. If V is the volume bounded by a surface S and F vector is F1i plus F2j plus F3k is a vector field over S, then the volume integral over V is defined as triple integral V f dV, which is equal I into triple integral f1 dV plus j integral du plus j integral j vector triple integral f2 dV plus k into triple vector f3 dW. Look at some example. F vector is 2x zi vector minus xj vector plus y squared k vector. Evaluate triple integral V over f vector dV, where V is the region bounded by the surface x equals 0, y equals 0, y equals 6, z equals x square, z equal 4. These are the limits of x, y, z. Now, with vector f is given, we have to find triple vector of f dv. The region V is covered by keeping x and y fixed and integrating from z equal to x square to z equal to x4. That is for first integral. Then by keeping x fixed and integrating from y equals 0 to y equals 6, finally integrating from x equals 0 to x equals 2, then required integral is here integral, outer integral x equals 0 to 2 and middle y equals 0 to 6, and first integral is z equal to x square 4 to z equal to x square, integral of 2x zi xj minus xj plus y square k dz dy dx. First we have to find inner integral of, that is integral 4 to x z equal to x square, this integral with dz. Now first, which is equal I vector integral 0 to 2 plus 0 to 6 plus into integral x square to 4 2x z ds dy dz dx minus j vector, the triple integral 0 to 2 0 to 6 x squared 4 x dz dy dx. Now we will integrate part by part. First integral, inner integral with respect to dz we will do, that is first I into, I is taken out, I into 0 to 2 0 to 6 and integral of 4 to, x square to 4 2x z dz. First part we will do, then with dy dz. Here integrating this 2x z dz with respect to z first, which is here this we are doing, that is 2x z square, other things are constant treated as, here z is a variable, therefore 2x z square over 2, limits are 4 to x square to 4 to dy by dx. Here we are applying the limits for z, that is 4 and x square, that is x is 4 square upper limit and lower limit is x is x square, that is x into x square the whole square. Now with respect to dy by dx after that we have to do, first we will simplify this. 4 square is 16, 16x minus x power 5, that is x square into power 2 is x power 4 into x is x power 5 dy dx. This we have done with respect to dz. Then second part, then inner integral, now it becomes 0 to 6 is inner integral. We have to integrate 16x minus x power 5 with respect to y, that y limit is 0 to 6, then 16x with respect to y is integral is 16xy minus x power 5 is x power x square x power 5 y, because with respect to y we are doing dx. Now we are applying the values of limit 6 and 0, which is equal 60x, y is 6 minus x power 5, y is 6 here. So then we are applying the limits. We applied 6 to 0. We have 16x into 6 minus x power 5 into 6. Here 0 limit is not valid because we are applying 0 here, 0 here. It becomes 0 only. So this problem we are not showing 0 limits because already it is 0. Then further simplification, I vector. Now the last integral 0 to 2, this 6 into 16 is 96x minus 6x power 5, 0 to 2. Then integrating with respect to dx now, that is outer integral, that 96x square over 2 minus 6x power 5, that is equal to 6 by 6. After simplifying, and we are giving the limits 2 to 0, that is 48, upper limit is 2 square minus lower limit is 6 into 2 power, the 6 and 6 cut, 2 power 6. So which gives 4 into, because 2 square is 4, 4 into 48 is 192 minus 2 power 6 is 64. Simplifying, I vector into 128. Therefore, I part is 128i. Now that same you are doing this part, j part. Look at here. Same like j vector 0 to 2, 0 to 6, x square to 4, x, d, z, dy, dx. So then we are doing first same procedure with inner integral dz. Therefore j into 0 to 2, 0 to 6 with respect to dy, that is here xz is there with respect to dz, x dz with respect to that is dz. Integration of x dz is xz. That is limits are 4 to x square to 4. So we are applying the values. It becomes x into z is 4 minus x into lower limit is x square. So we have 4x minus x cube. Then this with respect to dy next you are doing. That is with respect to y, 4x integral is 4xy minus x cube is x cube y. With the limits are 6 and 0, we are substituting, that is 4x. For y we are applying 6, that is here x cube, y is 6. So after simplifying we will get 24x minus 6 cube. Then this the final we have to integrate dx with us, we have to integrate this 24x minus 6x cube with dx. So which is given, that is 24x squared by 2 minus 6x power 4 by 4. By simplifying and giving the limits of 2 and 0, it becomes 12 2 square, because 24 divided by 2 is 12. 2 square minus 3 by 2, 6 by 4 is 3 by 2, 2 power 4. Then here which gives 48 minus 24, which is equal to 24j. Similarly, we have to integrate the third part with k multiplication of y square dz dy dx. Then k part equal k into integral 0 to 2, 0 to 6, x square to 4, y square dz dy dx. First y square dz, y square integral is y square dz, 4 to x square. We are substituting, which gives y square z is 4, y square z is x square limit. After simplifying, we get 4y cube by 3 minus x square y cube by 3. Now we have to integrate further this 0 to 2 of this integration. Here 4, we are giving the limit 6 and 0, that is 4 by 3, 6 cube minus x square 6 power 3 by 3. After simplifying, it gives 4 into 72 minus 72 x square. Now this is finally integrated with respect to dx of limit to 2 to 0, which have 288x minus 72x square is 72x cubed by 3. Applying the limits 2 to 0, we have k vector into 288x is 2 minus 72 by 3 square is 9 is we are 2 cube by, that is x is 2 cube by 3, 2 cube by 3 becomes after that into 3 square is 9. So after simplification we have 24 into 3 cube, which is equal 288 into 2 is 576 minus this simplification 192, which gives finally k vector 384. By collecting all terms, the required integral is 128i minus j vector of multiplication 24 plus 384 k vector. This is the final result for this triple integral. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.